Today, I'm going to show you how to make objects realistically levitate in your photos. Intro. What is going on, guys? My name is Kenneth Fleece, and welcome back to yet another Snapseed tutorial. In today's video, we're going to learn how to make small and large objects appear to levitate in our photos. There's already a bunch of really good YouTube tutorials on the topic of levitation photography out there, but most of the ones I've seen don't show you how to, 1, levitate larger objects, or 2, achieve that levitation effect with just your phone. So I decided to cover those points and bring you my top 2 methods to levitate objects in photos. For method number 1, you're going to need 3 things. The object that you want to make levitate, in my case this jar. Second thing is some sort of string or thread, something that you can hang this object from. I recommend fishing line because it's already clear and thin, so it makes it super easy to remove from photos. Lastly, you'll need something to hang this object from. In my case, I'm going to be using this pull-up bar here, but if you don't have access to a pull-up bar, something better and more versatile that most people have is a shower curtain. That rod that holds up your shower curtain typically contracts back into a smaller form. Take that from the bathroom and extend it in any hallway or doorway, pretty much anywhere that has walls that are pretty close together. Give it a good tug to make sure it's secure, and there you go. Now you can hang your object in a lot of different places to get a lot of different shots. Next, you're going to need to attach your string to the object that you want to make levitate. In my case, it was pretty easy. I just closed the fishing line in the jar, which made the string hold on pretty well. But in your case, you might need to tape it on or tie it on, but whatever way you end up putting it on, don't leave too much fishing line hanging over, because the less fishing line we have to remove from the photo in the end, the better. Now all you have to do is hang up your item and take your photo. Make sure that it's tied on tight, we don't want it to be falling, and make sure that if you use the shower curtain rod, that it's not gonna move. Once you have your photo of the object hanging from the line, go ahead and hop into Snapseed. Once you have your photo loaded up, you'll notice that if you used fishing line, it's actually hard to see that it's there already. But if I zoom in here, you'll notice there it is. So we want to get rid of that so we can really sell the levitation effect. We're going to use what's called the healing tool in Snapseed to get this done. To get to the healing tool, select tools in the bottom center, and then third from the top on the far left, you'll see healing with bandages. Select that. So the healing tool works like this. It takes artifacts from around where you touch and then pastes those over where you touch. Sounds a little confusing, I know. But what I like to do is zoom in on the line or wherever you want to remove the blemish from, and then just tap your finger. Now you'll notice that it's kind of smudged it out. It's still there a little bit, so give it another tap. So then once I've tapped it away once, I just like to eat away at it and just keep tapping down until it's completely gone. So I'm just going to keep tapping here and tap it away. And then once it's gone for the most part, I like to give it a good smudge to really get rid of it. So now I'm coming up on a part right here. If I zoom in, you'll see that it's still sticking up, and if I touch the jar, it's going to ruin the jar too, and I don't want that. So what you're going to want to do is zoom in as far as you can, and then just tap down gradually and eat away at that line, because you don't want to smudge into the jar and ruin the quality of the photo. If you ever accidentally mess up the photo, like so, just use that back arrow and it'll go right back to the way it was. But I'm going to continue getting rid of this. And that's about good, but here's another thing right here. You see that shine mark right there? I actually don't like that either. So the healing tool is actually good for that too. Boom, it's gone. And also right behind me there's a light switch here, and I don't want that being seen in the photo either. For things like this, you can just take your finger and drag it over the whole thing, and you'll see how it's taking it out right there. And if you just drag it over a few times, just keep painting it away, eventually it's gone. But I also have another thing here. You see that? That's the shower rod that I put up for the video behind my head there. So if I zoom in on that, I can actually remove it too. The healing tool works for a lot of different things. So you see how it's kind of messing up there? You just kind of paint in the other directions when it starts messing up, and you can fix it. So then just kind of tap until you get it the way you want it. There. Once you're out of the healing tool, put a finger down on the screen and check your edits, and they're looking pretty good. I mean, this effect gets me every time. I don't even know how it's possible. It's like magic.
You're a wizard, Harry.
I'm a what?
A wizard!
For method number 2, we're going to simulate levitation by utilizing Snapseed's double exposure mode. Now this method is the go-to method if you're trying to levitate something large, like a car or a house or something cool like that. So all you're going to need for this method is 2 photos. One photo that's going to serve as the background image, and the second photo that's going to be of the object that you want to levitate. For my background, I used a tip from one of my previous videos and scouted out a location. Ended up finding a place that had like a lot of hills and grass. It had a lot of potential for a dramatic scene, so I decided to make a dramatic kind of shot. I found one of the biggest hills there and climbed up it, then just took a bunch of different photos in different stances, pretending like I was levitating a house. Whatever that feels like. Then coming down from the hill, I got into a fight with a thorn bush.
Okay, you're good.
Ow! Jesus Christ! No! My butt! The thorn bush won, but it was a learning experience. Be careful. But anyway, once you have the background shot and the shot of the object that you want to levitate, go ahead and open up the background shot in Snapseed. Once you have your background photo open, go ahead and select Tools in the bottom center, and then select Double Exposure, which is the bottom left corner. Once you're inside the double exposure tool, go ahead and open up the photo of the object that you want to make levitate. Bring that in, and so as you see here, I have a house, but I did not take this photo. I actually licensed this photo from a service called Adobe Stock. Not sponsored. But anyway, once you have that photo in, go ahead and position it exactly how you would think it would be. For me, this is going to be, I need it to be pretty large because it's a house and I'm a person, so I need it to fit exactly how it would for me if I were holding it. I'm gonna kind of put it at a little bit of an angle so it looks more interesting, and then I'm just gonna kind of fit it over me. Mine's gonna be a little bit smaller than an actual house would be because I want it to fit in the frame, but right about there should do it. Once you have it the way you want it, go ahead and select the check icon in the bottom right. But we're not done here. We're gonna go back in by selecting those squares with the arrow jumping over them, and we're gonna select View Edits. Then select Double Exposure at the bottom, and then select the paintbrush icon, and we're just gonna paint in that photo, leaving only the house on top of me. Once you have that there, go ahead and select the check mark again. Now this effect is kind of obvious when you leave the color in it, so I like to take the color out of it as a last step. So to do that, hop into Tools in the bottom center, and then select Black and White, which is second from the bottom on the far right. Leave it as neutral, and then you can kind of take the brightness up. Mine's a little too dark there, so I'm gonna brighten it a little bit. So now the photo is done. I mean, it looks pretty good. The only thing I like to do is just add a few more edits to kind of bring the whole scene together. If you're levitating something over yourself like me, take a look down at the very bottom where my feet are. Because I'm seemingly standing underneath of a house in this photo, to make it more realistic, I'm gonna put a shadow at my feet. So to do that in Snapseed, you go into Tools, and then you jump into the Selective tool. Once in there, go ahead and put a point at the very bottom, or pretty much wherever you want to put a shadow. And then I'm just gonna crush the area just to right where my feet are, and then I'm just gonna bring the brightness down. I'm gonna make that pretty wide, actually. So that looks pretty good. Now select the check mark on the bottom right, and take a look at that. That makes a really big difference. So now it looks like there's a shadow under me because the house is up there. And it really just brings the whole image together. So it makes it look a lot more realistic. So while you're editing your photos, just think about these things like size or shadows, and make sure that you kind of take them into account because it can really make or break this type of photo. The last thing I always do to my black and white photos is I go into the Curves menu, which is in Tools, and then the top center says Curves. I add the KO1, and then I might add the morning look to it, which always makes it way too bright, so I go back into the Tune Image, and I bring that brightness back down, I drop the shadows, and then just take a look at your edits. That's looking good. And that is all there is to levitation method number 2. After editing that photo, I threw in some birds for dramatic effect, and this is what we ended up with. But that is it. Those are 2 methods that you can use to start taking levitation photos right now. And if you do end up taking any levitation photos, feel free to tag me on Instagram at KENNOV8. A lot of you guys have been coming over to my Instagram and showing me your work and tagging me in your photos, and I love it, so please keep doing that. But that's it for me, guys. I really appreciate you for watching this video. As always, make good use of that like button, and please subscribe. I'll talk to you in the next one.